Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of fear, why we humans experience it, its significance, and the consequences of its absence in our lives. Fear, an integral part of the human experience, originates from our brain's complex workings. It's an evolutionary response, deeply rooted in our survival instincts. When we encounter a potential threat, the amygdala, our brain's alarm system, triggers a cascade of reactions, preparing us for fight, flight, or freeze. When we encounter a perceived threat, whether real or imagined, the amygdala sends signals to the rest of the brain and body, initiating the famous fight, flight, or freeze response. This prepares us physically and mentally to respond to the threat effectively. Various factors contribute to fear. Past experiences, learned behaviors, cultural influences, and even genetic predispositions shape how we perceive and respond to fear-inducing stimuli. These experiences create neural connections that influence our future responses to similar situations. Fear, contrary to common belief, is actually good for us. It serves as a protective mechanism, helping us assess risks and make informed decisions. It keeps us vigilant and cautious, preventing us from putting ourselves in harm's way. However, the absence of fear can be problematic. Imagine a world where individuals lacked the ability to feel fear. While it might seem liberating, this condition, known as fearlessness syndrome, often leads to reckless, traumatic experiences, anxiety, or specific phobias can intensify our fear responses. Our mind's interpretation of situations influences the level of fear we experience. Understanding the origins and mechanisms behind fear is crucial. Techniques like exposure therapy, mindfulness, and cognitive behavioral strategies can help individuals better handle their fear responses. In conclusion, fear is a vital emotion that helps us navigate the world safely. While it can sometimes feel overwhelming, acknowledging its role, understanding its triggers, and learning to manage it can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of fear. Don't forget to subscribe for more discussions on the human mind and behavior. Until next time.